I had a conversation with somebody a couple of years ago that came to us and said they were a member and also a social friend of ours. And I didn't know they were a member. We were hanging out with them. He said, I joined Land Academy about 8 months ago. And I'm like, oh, great. I didn't know that. Did you send a mailer out? He's like, no, I'm not going to send a mailer out ever. I said, what the heck is that? He said, well, it just kind of gives me hope. And so this is a relatively successful guy already doing some other stuff. And it made me start to think that, and I've known, Jill and I've known this for a long time, that at least 50% of the people who are in Land Academy are here for the information, potentially the entertainment, to be a part of a group and to kind of be a fly on the wall. Maybe they intend to send a mailer out, maybe they don't, but they're here and they stay here for quite some time. I don't think that those people intend on ever being anything else other than just, here for the education. On the end of the bell curve are people like us where we obsess on it, send out tons of mail. There's this third group where I think that they have this hope that their life's going to change, but they don't do stuff. They don't take action to make a change. And so hope can't be a business model. You can't just hope that something's going to happen without actually taking some serious action.
If you want to be an investor, there's no reason you can't wake up tomorrow morning and say, I'm an investor.
I agree.
And I'm going to put a different hat on. I'm going to wear this Land Academy shirt. I'm putting my hat on. I'm going to pretend I'm driving a pickup truck, even though I'm not. I'm going to have the attitude that I'm driving a big pickup truck. And I am a land investor, effective today. If anybody asks me, I'm a land investor. That's my attitude. That's how I'm talking. That's how I'm thinking. And I am doing deals right now. That's how I think you should go through all of this. Wake up tomorrow and decide what you're going to be, what you're going to do. No, hope your way through it, feel your way through it, test it, try it, play around, whatever. See what happens and blame somebody else. Put your head down and get serious about it, and you will do it.
We're Jack and Jill. Information
and inspiration
to buy undervalued property.